Managing and nurturing leads is crucial to the success of any business, but it can quickly get overwhelming. As your inbox begins to fill with new leads, how do you stay on top of all of them and make sure you don't miss out on any opportunities for new customers? That's where CRMs come into play. Welcome to Breakdown, where we break down the things that help you build. My name's Dustin, and today we're breaking down CRMs. CRMs stands for Customer Relationship Management and refers to tools that help you manage your leads, market your business, and increase sales. CRMs help you organize email lists, track engagement, nurture relationships, and much more, all in one central location. In this video, we'll take a look at one of the most powerful CRMs on the market, HubSpot.
If you use Gravity Forms, you can seamlessly integrate your forms with the HubSpot CRM. Gravity Forms is a powerful form builder that allows you to add stylish forms to your WordPress website. You can sync your forms with HubSpot using the Gravity Forms HubSpot add-on. For more information, check out the link at the top of this video or in the video description. When a new user submits a form, a contact will be created in HubSpot that contains the information submitted on the form. I'll submit a contact form with my name, email, phone number, and a brief message. Now, within the HubSpot dashboard, you'll see that a new contact has been created. The activity feed helps you stay on top of everything happening with your contacts, such as when they visit a page, submit a form, download an offer, and more. Within the HubSpot dashboard, I can send an email, create notes, assign tasks to myself or team members, or even schedule a meeting with a lead. I can also edit a lead's contact information, designate a member of my team as the contact owner, and update the lifecycle stage and lead status. I can even see the message that was submitted via the contact form. I'm going to set the lifecycle stage to subscriber and save my changes. I'd like to create an active list in HubSpot that includes all of my subscribers and automatically updates whenever I receive a new subscriber from a newsletter sign-up form. First, I'm going to go to the feed settings for my newsletter sign-up form and set the lifecycle stage to subscriber. Now, anytime a form is submitted on my site, a new contact will be created in HubSpot with a lifecycle stage of subscriber. I can then create a new list of contacts in HubSpot and set my filter to only include subscribers in this list. This list will automatically update anytime I receive a new submission from my newsletter sign-up form, or if I update a contact's lifecycle stage to subscriber. I can then create a newsletter email within HubSpot and easily send it to all of my subscribers.
If you'd like to learn more about HubSpot, you can check out the link in the description to get started for free. CRMs simplify lead management by giving you the tools to do everything you need in one central location. They help make running your business much easier and much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more guides and tutorials. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.